I think consistency is interesting only in theories. Every one of us likes the idea of being productive, of being focused, being disciplined, but the same things, when they are repeated, it becomes boring. It feels really good in the starting, like new goals, new motivation, new routines. But जब हम यही सेम चीज़ रोज करते जाते हैं, it feels very monotonous. It becomes boring, and जो energy रहती है starting में, it doesn't remain the same. It reduces. Following the same routine, following the same tasks, following the same to-do list, and following the same habits becomes so boring, and we even know that there's nothing dramatic going to happen. And I think this is where we all get stuck while we want to grow. But most real growth is slow, repetitive, and difficult. Most of us get stuck in this loop thinking that we are doing so much, we're working so hard. Even after that, we can't see any changes, we are not able to see any of the results. And I think this is the exact moment, the exact time where we all think of giving up. And some of us even give up. We don't even think that how hard we have worked to be where we are. Because things feel very invisible. We can't see any results. And we are used to instant results and instant feedbacks, instant responses, instant reactions, that we are lacking patience when it comes to growth. And I think consistency is built quietly, showing up on ordinary days, showing up on those days where we have low energy or no energy at all, and repeating the same patterns every day. And I think that's where discipline matters the most. Consistency feels so strange in a way because while we are in the process, we don't realize that how it is transforming us and how we are improving day by day, because it feels so invisible and so boring. But it gives us amazing results, and we will finally able to meet our transformed version of ourselves, a better version of ourselves, and I think a successful one as well. So consistency is monotonous, consistency is difficult, consistency is boring, yet a rewarding one. Hi all, thank you so much for watching today's video. So yesterday I was talking to my friend and she was telling me she's so bored and she's so stressed out because of her studies and her difficult routine and schedules. So I think हम सब लोग उसी phase में फंसे हुए हैं कि we are not able to even get out of it, but then we have to stay in it because we want to grow. So I think ये जो concept है consistency का हमारी life में, वो boring ही है, because मुझे भी यही लगता है. I am also in that phase. हमको कुछ दिखता ही नहीं है, फिर हमको लगता है कि करके क्या फ़ायदा, but then it's not like that. I'm very sure that if we keep going every day, it is definitely rewarding, and maybe हमको कुछ better मिल जाए हमारी life में. And maybe we become even more better, even more wiser than we ever thought. So I just want कि हम ये ना सोचे कि let's give up this time and कुछ और कर लेंगे, उसमें भी यही process आएगा, उसमें भी हमको यही repeat करना होगा. So just keep going, and ये कोई motivation lecture नहीं है. I thought I'll just talk about consistency इतना ही. And yeah, so I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Thank you, bye bye.